Hi there, my name is Carla Ann. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and today I want to talk to you about your 3-flash signal light. All right, so you know that you can turn on your signals to turn right or turn left using this signal stick, which is also has your headlight buttons on there. So let's just take a look at that real quick. So here it is. It's very simple, standard in any vehicle, and when you turn it up, it does flash to the right, and when you push it down, it does flash to the left. All right, now that seems pretty straightforward. But let's go over to your infotainment center for a second. We're gonna go to our settings, and we're gonna move over to the vehicle tab. So in the vehicle tab, right down here, it says turn signals. We'll click it and it'll take it here. Now, the 3-flash turn signal is turned on. You can turn it off if you prefer, just by clicking this big knob, and we'll click it to turn it back on so that I can show you how this works. When you just tap the button up, it'll signal 3 times and automatically turn off. You can also, of course, tap it down. It'll go 3 times and turn off. Now, it might take a bit of getting used to. You tap it up till you feel sort of it sort of stops, and just before it would click. That's how you do it. For the tapping, it'll turn 3 times and go off. And of course, you can always just turn it all the way on by turning it all the way up or all the way down. And you can adjust the volume. So if you don't like to hear your turn signals very much, then go ahead and turn it low. Let's see if we can hear a difference. That's how it was on low. Now let's go ahead and do it on high. I'm going to leave it at high for now, and so that's how the turn signals work. Now, why would someone want to use the 3-turn signal? Is that even important? I think it's super important, especially if you're used to driving on highways or changing lanes. If you just tap it, it'll do 3 times, notify people where you're moving, and it'll turn off automatically. Because if you're changing lanes, you don't actually, the steering wheel will not automatically turn the signal light off. And there's nothing worse than being the culprit of someone who's driving along the road for 25 kilometers, having their signal going when really they have no intention of turning. I know you've been driving behind those kind of people, but you don't want to be that person, right? So go ahead and get used to using your 3-flash turn signal. I think you're going to find it very handy. If you have any questions about it, please give me a call. My name is Carla Ann. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. My number is 204-326-6437. Have a super day.